Hi, welcome to this guided hooponopono meditation to heal your relationships. I know relationships can be tough sometimes, especially when there is pain, misunderstanding, or distance involved. But the good news is healing is always possible. In this meditation, we will use hooponopono, an ancient Hawaiian practice, to help you release negativity and bring peace, forgiveness, and love to your relationship. You don't need to do anything except be here and follow. Get comfortable, either sitting or lying down, and when you are ready, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, hold it, and let it out slowly. Let's begin. I want you to gently bring to your mind the relationship or situation that you want to heal. Maybe it is with someone close to you, a partner, family member, or friend. Just let it come to your mind without forcing it. Now, remind yourself that every relationship is an exchange of energy. No matter what has happened, we have played a part in creating this energy of this situation. This does not mean blame. It's simply about taking responsibility for our part. Say to yourself softly, I acknowledge my role in attracting this situation. I'm open to understand how I have contributed to this experience. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of relief. You are not carrying the weight of blame, just the power to heal. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. Think about how you have shown up in this relationship. Have you held on to anger, fear, or hurt? Maybe you have said or done things you wish you had not. Or maybe you have been holding back love or forgiveness. There is no need to criticize yourself. Just notice you are here to heal, not to judge. Say quietly to yourself, I see the part that I have played in attracting this situation with love and kindness. I forgive myself for anything I have said, felt, or done that added to this situation. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, imagine releasing the tension from your heart. Feel it becoming lighter, softer, and more open. Now, we will use the hooponopono to heal. These 4 phrases are simple but powerful, and they work on a deep level to bring peace and forgiveness. Picture the person or situation in your mind. Imagine a warm, golden light surrounding them and yourself. The light is full of love and healing. Say out loud or in your heart, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Say it again slowly. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry for the role that I have played in creating pain or misunderstanding. Please forgive me for any harm that I have caused to you or to myself, intentionally or unintentionally. Thank you for the lessons this relationship is teaching me. Say I love you to yourself. I love you to the other person. And I love you to the healing process. Repeat these phrases a few more times at your own pace. Feel them sinking in, washing over the situation like a gentle wave. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take one last deep breath in and let it out slowly. Now, imagine the relationship or situation completely surrounded by love. See the tension fading away and being replaced with understanding, connection, or even a sense of freedom. Say softly to yourself, I release the negativity around this relationship with love. I trust that healing is happening. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Move your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. You have done something beautiful today, something brave. Carry this sense of love and forgiveness with you as you move forward. Thank you for being here with me. Take care and remember, healing is always possible.